So one is group technology. Okay, is one of the important topic in the CAD CAM. Okay, group technology is a manufacturing philosophy in which similar parts are identified and grouped together to make the advantage of their similarities in design and production. We know that in industrial environment, if we're manufacturing one product or even group of products, it requires so many number of elements. Okay, so whenever you are designing or manufacturing, so these uh, parts based on their similarities, based on the design similarities or some manufacturing familiarities. Okay, how we are manufacturing. Based on that, all these parts will be grouped in a one particular group. Okay, they will have the different whatever the materials that you are using for your manufacturing of a product, that companies will group all these parts into a different groups based on the similarities in the design and production. So then that particular term is known as the design, that is a group technology. Group technology, because the industries will use huge amount of materials or machineries and different consumables, non-consumable, all these things. Okay, so when you are manufacturing one product itself indicates different material parts, all these things. Okay, so whenever there is a requirement to identify that part, it will be difficult if you are not having the common group. Okay, so here because even I already mentioned that these all the parts, okay, what you are available in the to your industry or particular industry, there will be products based on similarities in the design and production. They are grouped in a different groups, and then the term is known as the group technologies. Then how these particular parts, how they are arranged in the part groups are then these groups, what I am mentioning, that based on similarity, we are grouping some certain products in a certain group. That particular group will call it the part family, because the part family will have some n number of elements. They are formed as a family or a group. That group we are calling it as the part family. Okay, and also grouping of the, you can group it based on the design and manufacturing characteristics. Okay, because how we are manufacturing, whether that particular product will have slots or how many number of holes and how many number of slots, like that, and what type of material you are using, and what type of how you are going to, because even the machine cells also, not only parts, even to manufacture a product, different number of machines you require. So then these machines also, they are grouped or they are part like a part families based on the their specializations, based on the equipment or their how what type of product you are going to manufacturing. Based on that, you may group all these machines into a different machine cells. Okay. Mainly there are mainly two important major tasks that the companies will perform while they decided that they have to go towards the group technology. One of the important thing is identifying the part families, and second one is the rearranging the production machines into the cells. Okay, if for example the company, there are some 10,000 different parts are there, then all these there you go the entire that group of that company individuals or officials, they will go through all the part drawings, and they will group all the parts into families based on their similarities in the design drawings. Okay, and it will consume a lot of time, because in initiation, whenever the companies decided that to implement the group technology, it will take a lot of time for implementation, because there will be huge number of products or elements and machineries will be there, and these based on their characteristic we have to based on their unique characteristics, we have to group it into the machining cells or part families. And second one is the the companies, they have rearranged the machines into cells, because earlier you may have the in the shop floor, you don't have the machine cells. Okay, maybe on the process plan based on the product, you may arrange the machines in a different like order. But once you are following this technology and based on the production routine, based on the mission groups, machining cells, the missions will be rearranged. Okay. So what are the benefits of the group technology? Mainly, because I am mentioning that the initiation of group technology is a very big hurdle, or it will increase so much complications to for the company. But even though companies are preferring this particular group technology, why? Because this promotes the standardization of tooling, fixtures, and setups, and also material handling is reduced because you are planning the proper way, because you are grouping the missions in a mission cells. Whenever grouping like a mission cells, then the material handling will be done in a proper way. Okay, that's why we are going to introducing the group technology. Okay, and also process planning and production also will become very simplified if you are identifying the groups, different parts you are identifying, then it will make very simple to produce, because already based on the product is already having some group code, then the similarity identified in that by means of the group code, then you can avoid the redesign. Sometimes the same type of design drawing will be there, and only few modifications that should be done by that particular design engineer, then it will create such type of advantages. And also because you are using machining cells, then it reduces setup times, and whenever there is a reduce in setup times, then resulting it's to the to lower the manufacturing lead time. And so I mentioned that mainly the part family is a collection of parts that are similar either by geometric shape and size. Okay, all the rotational parts, and based on their diameter and length. Okay, diameter to length ratio, they will be grouped in some different group. Those are the some basic concepts related to the group technology. Hope to understand about these basic concepts related to the group technology. Group technology is nothing but it is a technology, group technology, where the parts and machines will be grouped in some certain part groups or machine cells, machine groups, based on similarities in the design or based on similarities in the manufacturing.